You actually, I believe, literally saved your mother and
Yes.
brother.
Yeah.
Can you tell us about that?
Yes. They were assigned to a cleaning detail. I believe it was a cleaning details in the barracks. And it was a group of people, and I guess one or two or whatever number got tired and they wanted to sit down. They took a break. And this is what the Germans did, collective punishment. And because they took a break, everybody had to die, including them. My brother and my mother happened to have been assigned to that group. And you recall earlier I told you that I was a showpiece, and the commandant was proud whenever he brought around the SS dignitaries to show what he created. Of course, he didn't create. I want that for the record. I learned to operate these machines to survive, but he took the credit. That's fine. And by the way, I always felt safer in the factory than I did in the barracks. So they took all these people into the woods to shoot them. By the way, again, the meticulousness of the German mind. First, you all dig a big hole so that we don't have to worry later when you're laying dead to bury you. So he did that. So obviously that took some time. But anyway, they took my mother, my brother, along with all the others, and they were going to shoot them. I got word of it. And I ran to this commandant. You could not talk to a commandant unless he spoke to you first. If you did, he'd either shoot you on the spot most of the time or beat you to death practically. He wouldn't do beating, tell somebody else to do it. But by then, I became pretty much numb. And I said, I don't care if I die. I've got to save them. So I ran to him and begged him to save them. And he somehow responded to my pleas and jumped in the car with his guard. And I remember he told me to stand on the running board.
So you, oh, okay.
Yeah, because I had to show him, but he warned me where to hold on. I shouldn't, God forbid, touch the furnishings inside the car. It was one of those, you know, that has the top down. And we raced over there, and they had already shot some people. And my mother and brother were standing there. And I pointed them out. He said, "Show me down. Show me your mother and brother." And I did. Took them out of the line. He spoke to the underling there, another officer, but of sufficiently lower rank. So he pulled them out of the line, and he told them. He told the guard or the officer, whoever it was, he should leave those alone, and he did. And then as we were going away, he resumed killing the others. That's the Germans. Now, you often say to yourself, what makes people such animals?